Hi, my name is Maitri, and I'm going to talk about our work, Interpretable Deep Learning Framework for Understanding Molecular Changes in Human Brains with Alzheimer's Disease. Alzheimer's disease is a complex and progressive neurological disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. Despite of extensive research, our understanding of its underlying molecular mechanism is incomplete. AI offers potential for investigating genomic irregularities associated with AD. So, by analyzing multi-omic data, we can potentially identify region-specific transcriptomic signature that characterizes the disease. However, using this kind of data poses a significant challenge in terms of interpretability. Our key objective of this study was to develop and interpret deep neural network model to enhance the accuracy and interpretability of AD analysis. Also, another objective of our study was to identify gene modules involved in AD progression as well as investigate potential sexual dimorphism in AD related molecular pathways. Here we employed an extensive deep neural network approach, which consists of multi-layer perceptron to classify Alzheimer's disease and control samples. Using bulk RNA sequence data from RoseMap cohort, this consists of the data from three different brain regions, which are DLPFC, PCC, and HCN. We trained separate MLP models for each of the brain regions. We also utilize the prediction of the MLP models to visualize the distribution of the expression profile and understand how they evolve along the disease trajectory. As we can see here, the samples from the Alzheimer's disease and the control samples are located at the two ends of the trajectory. This also suggests that the progression of this disease is continuous. We also validated our models using the two external dataset, which are Mayo and MSVB. Moreover, to increase the interpretability of our models, we used the SHAP values. This technique allowed us to identify the most significant genes which are related to Alzheimer's disease, which later served as the key nodes for the gene expression correlation. Coming to the results, our model demonstrated excellent performance in classifying AD cases and controls, as we can also see from the ROC curves and AOC. The DLPFC and ACC models, which are located in cortex region, outperform the model for HCN region, which is located in the subcortical region. This also aligns with the known stronger association of cortex region with AD pathology. Moreover, we identified both common and region specific transcriptomic signatures that are associated with AD. And for the first time, a sex linked transcription factor pair, ZFX and ZFY, was found to be associated with more pronounced neuronal loss in AD females, which sheds light on a novel mechanism for sex dimorphism in Alzheimer's disease. Thank you.